Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to zoom in or out in Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to zoom in or zoom out in Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. So guys, it is pretty simple to zoom in or zoom out of the Google Maps. You just have to tap with two fingers on the Google Maps first, tap with both of your fingers apart, and if you close up your fingers like this, it will zoom out like this, you can see guys. But if you tap with your two fingers nearly, and if you spread your fingers like this, it will zoom in, you can see guys. So tap with two fingers a little bit apart and close your fingers on the screen to zoom out, and to zoom in, tap with two fingers a little bit close together and spread your fingers like this, spread it apart, and it will zoom. And with that being said guys, this is how you will be able to zoom in or zoom out in Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.